everyone, so welcome to my channel and thank you for clicking on this video. And if you don't know who I am, my name is Debbie. It's nice to meet you. Hey everyone, so to start off with, I'm going to be doing my eyebrows and I'm using the SMOKEY 322 brush and the Brightest Way palette in dark brown. So I'm just going to go around my eyebrows and line them out and fill these bad boys in. As you can see, my eyebrows don't really need much work, so I just go round the edge, underneath, and then drag the product through. I am using the Lick and Lash Beauty Palette in, it is 350. It is all your browns, oranges, all that stuff. It's great for a smoky eye. The only thing is it doesn't have a pure black in there, but it has a really dark brown, which really works well. So yes, I'm taking my brushes. My brushes. Where is that other brush? Oh, I have it out already. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna take the big brush. Where is this from? I think this is a Kira Daily brush. It does not have the writing on it anymore because I've had it so long, but yes, I think it is a Kira Daily brush. And I'm gonna go in with a really light brown and just pat that all over. There is a few different ways to do this look, where you can go from lightest to darkest, or you can go darkest to lightest, but today I'm just going to try out the lightest to darkest, and then in another video I will do the darkest to lightest just so you can see. But yes, I'm just patting that on and then gently blending it out. And I feel like with these looks you do have to blend quite a lot just so it looks nice and smooth. Then I'm taking the 231 Suave brush and going in with a medium brown. I still couldn't get it out there. I'm going in with a medium kind of brown. So light brown, medium brown, dark brown. That's what I was trying to say there. I'm just going into just above my crease with that because I do have quite small eyes, so I do need to bring the crease up slightly. And then blend that out into the light brown. And you'll look gorgeous. So now I'm going to go in with a gel-like consistency. So I'm going to go in with the Dip Brow from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and it is the chocolate one. So I'm just taking that on a smudger brush and just getting that all on there. And putting that all around my eye. So I'm really focusing this on the actual eyelid. It just helps the eyeshadow really stick to it. And with this I do like to work at one eye at a time just so then I can really blend it out. One bit on, then I'm going to go on with the really dark browns. And on a little bit of brush. It is from Kira Daily makeup as well, and just pat that on around the lid. And then gently blend up. If you want to go a step further in deepening up that, if it's not dark enough for you, you can go in with a black. So I do have a black here. Yeah, so this is another Lick My Lash palette. It is the 35D palette, and there is a black in it, so I'm going to use that. I'm just taking the same brush that you used for the dark brown. Now you look a bit nuts, like I look a bit nuts, okay? Okay, and then I'm going to go and put a wee bit of black right close to my waterline. And some eyelashes. Opa. I dropped the eyelashes. Oopsie. And I like really natural eyelashes. I don't like big massive ones, even though videoing I really should put on the big ones, but I know that I prefer to look nice in real life plus videoing than just putting on the big massive ones so I look nicer on camera. Sorry, but at least you know that I actually look nice during the day. Well, on the days I'm videoing. I do not look nice any other day, and I don't care. Yes. So if you ever meet me in the street, then, you know, you won't realize it's me. Different? Somebody's ringing me. He's always interrupting. Hello. Hello. I'm doing a makeup video. Yes. No, I'm nearly done. Yeah. Yes, you can. You can get us some chocolate or something for a cup of tea. Kinder Bueno. Yes. Although they're never in the fridge. I don't know. I had a bun earlier though. It was a nice bun. It's, you know, the flake buns with the big cream in the middle and all. Nice one we got, mate. I know. She got you coffee yesterday, okay? She felt bad. Bye. Back to it. For my foundation base, I'm using Ultra Strobe Cream Makeup Revolution. Oh, there's everything everywhere. If I start rubbing that around, I would just end up like black lines all around my face. And that would be some makeup video. Yes. Right. Anyway, back at it. Okay, so today I'm using the Ultra Strobe Cream Makeup Revolution and just putting a bit of that on my hands. And I like to use my fingers for this so I don't have to clean an extra brush. That is the actual truth. It's nothing to do with my hands being warm. It is just because I am lazy. So foundation, it is the L'Oreal True Match. It is in golden beige, and yes, it is too dark for my skin. So just dab it on because this is what gives you the fuller coverage with this foundation. If you just pat it on, and then you can start blending it out if you're using a brush. Or if you're using a beauty sponge, it probably just needs dabbed on and that's it. I haven't actually used a beauty sponge with this foundation, I don't think. So I will go and try that for my forehead. Just to show yous. I feel like, why would you spend so long putting on your foundation with a beauty blender? Like, just would take forever. No. Oh no. Oh no. Do not use a beauty blender for this foundation. it takes it all away. There is no coverage. Well, there is a bit, but what we're going for, it ain't there. And powder. My powder is RCMA No Color Powder. My favourite. Like I mentioned in the last video, I'm always going to say that. And for the brush, it is, I think, a Real Techniques brush. It looks like one because of this colour. It has no writing on it too. I don't know, I just use these brushes way too much and all the writing comes off, and it isn't helpful whenever I'm trying to tell you exactly what I'm using. But you know what, it's a big fluffy sort of brush. It's not extremely fluffy as in the sense of like, you know, a powder brush. It would probably be, I don't know what to call it, but yeah, it's a little harder than a powder brush, which is why I like it. I like it for my bronzer and my powder. I'm one of these people who find brushes that suit everything. I literally have like 3 face brushes, and you know what? That does me, and it has for like 2-3 years, the same brushes, because people don't know what to buy me for Christmas whenever it comes to brushes, and I want makeup brushes but they don't know what to get me, and then they end up afraid, and then that makes me sad. Anyway, for for contour to make me look a little nicer, I'm using the Hoola Benefit bronzer and just pat that on exactly where I want it, and then just gently blend that in and up. Pat it on, and then just gently blend it up as if you're trying to lift up some cheeks that you do not have. Oh! For blusher, I'm using the Sueva blusher palette. I think it is called Coral Spectrum. Then a bit of bronzer, which is MAC Give Me Sun, and my powder brush again. I told you I use this for everything. And highlighter, Anastasia Beverly Hills, and the brush I use for my blusher. And then just giving myself a nice bit of glow. Taking my normal lipstick and putting that all over. Thanks for watching. This is me done now, and please subscribe to this channel. If you want to see any more of my videos, just look in the description box below, and I will have in there all the products I used today also. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Bye!